Recording. Hi, we are Blinder, a solution aimed at eliminating desktop distractions to boost your productivity while you use your computer to work or study. It does this by allowing you to create virtual environments separate from your desktop for a time session of your choice, enabling you to separate your workflow from the distractions and the clutter of your desktop and lets you have a tuned in, focused, productive session. Blinder has an integrated to-do list that lets you set up tasks either before each session or as you go and can complete them during different sessions. It also has a calendar which allows you to plan out future work or study periods. Blinder lets you create preset sessions, and through them, it lets you block certain applications and URLs that you do not wish to access for the duration of the session. Each virtual environment will only allow these applications that you need to access for your work. In this example, the user's work preset has 4 applications as default permissible applications. As the user works, Blinder sends them a notification to track the progress of the session and keep them motivated. The Blinder icon in the taskbar gives the user access to a navigation tool to access their to-do list and see the remaining time, go to settings or more. Here the user tries to access Facebook, which they have set as a blocked URL, and for the remainder of the session, they will not be able to access it, and Blinder reminds you of the same. Now we can go through the backend functionality just as an overview.
All right, so we built the backend using Python, and here you can see the code for the restricted apps functionality. Blinder will go through the task manager through a bash call. It filters for all the sessions that have the ID RDP-TCP hashtag 127 and a physical memory size greater than 50,000 K or physical memory. If the session names that remain after the filter are not in the wanted apps list, Blinder will flag it and will notify the user that they are trying to access a restricted app. This functionality runs continuously in the background and notifies the user and reminds them to go back to work. And we'll have Shazeen wrap up the
Right. So in conclusion, Blinder is like a one-stop product that helps you tune into the session or your target to-dos, and it helps you be more productive.